So children, sixth problem what you have, it is similar to that of first problem. So please try to do it. If not, ask me during online class, I will explain you. Seventh question, that is last question, I am proving for you. ABC is a triangle. So ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle at C means they mean to say that angle C is 90 degree, children. So they mean to say angle C is 90 degree. Next, a line through the midpoint M of the hypotenuse. So if in triangle ABC, if angle C is 90 degree, so opposite side is the hypotenuse. They are telling M is the midpoint on the hypotenuse AB, and parallel to the midpoint M of hypotenuse AB and parallel to BC intersects AC at D. So this MD is parallel to BC, and for the side DC, AC it is intersecting at point D anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. There are three sub questions, children. In the first sub question, they are asking us to prove D is the midpoint of AC. Means for this side AC what we have, we need to prove D is the midpoint. It is very simple. ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಿರುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ABC ಅನ್ನೋ ತರ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ತಿರುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೊಟೇಟ್, MD midpoint ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Converse of midpoint theorem ಇಂದ you can easily prove D is the midpoint. That is what I have done. Check. In triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degree. M is the midpoint of AB, children, and MD is parallel to BC andre obviously D is the midpoint of AC from converse of midpoint theorem. So first sub question proved. Second sub question ali they are asking us to prove this MD is perpendicular to AC andre angle D nu 90 degree anta prove ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ they are asking us. Okay na? So second sub question ali we know that MD is parallel to BC. That just now we proved now MD is parallel to BC anta namagu gottu. Now if you check, children, this angle MDC, angle MDC plus angle BCD, MDC BCD idiyalla andre, if you consider BC as one line and MD as second line and ಈ AC ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, base of the triangle as the transversal to the parallel lines, we know that the interior angles formed are supplementary. See what all concepts you will have to remember sometimes in order to solve, children. If you consider MD and BC are the two parallel lines and base AC of the triangle as the transversal for those parallel lines, you have learnt in postulates, Euclid's axiom and postulates. Then the interior angle or the co-interior angle are supplementary and it is 180 degree. So that is what I have chosen. From that angle BCD andre E angle plus angle MDA or AMD, E angle is equal to 180 degree. The reason I have stated in the bracket, you write, please write beside. I have no place, I have written one below the other. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary under 180 degree. Now we know what is angle C. So substitute. Angle C is 90 degree. MDC we don't know. Keep it as it is equal to 180 degree. Andre. What is MDC, children? MDC we got as 180 minus 90, which is clearly 90 degree. Angle D 90 degree bantu andre obviously you can say MD is parallel to AC. Very simple. That is about second sub question. Third sub question is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ tricky ಇದೆ. Tricky ಏನಲ್ಲ, it is easy only. We need to prove CM is equal to MA is equal to half of AB. CM ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, so CM is equal to prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ let us join CM. Let us join CM, children. So in the figure join CM and we know that M is the midpoint of AB. Now in triangle AMD and triangle CMD andre idu triangle AMD, This is triangle CMD, children. This is triangle AMD. This chota triangle we are considering. In triangle AMD and triangle CMD, we need to prove CM. This length is equal to AM. Length CM is equal to AM. If you consider this whole triangle MCA nalli side CM is equal to side AM anta we need to prove ashte. That is nothing but half of this AB. Idero equal, that is nothing but half of AB andre M midpoint anta matte keltara children. That's all. In other way, he guta mado badlu he guta madi antiddare. That's it. So in figure, join CM. We joined CM and M is the midpoint of AB. Now we got two triangles, triangle AMD and triangle CMD. In those two triangles, children, AD is equal to DC. Andre E length AD is equal to DC. How you can say? We proved in one. What did we prove? D is the midpoint of AC anta we have proved. So we proved in one anta bardidini. Now also angle MDC is equal to angle MDA. Andre E two angles ideyala children. MDC is equal to angle MDA, both are equal to 90 degree. Why? We have proved in 2 that MD is perpendicular to AC. Proved in 2 anta I have written yes. Proved in 2. So both the angles, these two, E angle, hege barattalla L shape alli, both are equal to 90 degree. So, ಎರಡು angle equal anta ನಾವು already prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Now children, for both the triangles CMD and MDA, MD is common side. So MD equals MD common side. We proved one side, one angle and second side are equal of both the triangle. Andre we can say now triangle AMD is congruent to this triangle CMD. Andre these two chota triangles are congruent to each other from SAS congruency. When you prove these two triangles are congruent, children, obviously the side CM is equal to AM or MA as they are asked. So by CPCT, correct? By CPCT, CM is equal to MA andre. Now you say MA is half of AB and CM is equal to MA andre. You can say CM is equal to MA is equal to half of AB, not AD, half of AB. That is the required proof, children. That is what we proved. These two triangles are congruent andre by CPCT. Those two sides are also equal. Already namge gottittu MA is half of AB andre, and also we have proved CM is equal to MA andre. CM equals MA equals half of AB. That is the required proof. So this completes the exercise 7.2 as well as the geometry chapter quadrilaterals as well as your part 1 textbook, children. So as I said, your 2-3 chapters has been removed in your part 2 textbook. That is the reason I included one lesson of this part 1 textbook for essay 2 portions ashte. That is the reason. So next you have more of geometry chapters itself. For the time being I am planning to change the topic from geometry to arithmetic or algebra so that you will feel a change, because continuously we are doing geometry chapters, children. Till then, please watch all the videos as and when you receive the notifications and complete the classwork. Few problems which have left will be the solution we will be discussing during the online class. Practice the theorems as well. Thank you.